Wibotic is a company that manufactures wireless power and battery intelligence solutions. We're making systems that allow you to charge batteries on robotic devices like aerial drones, mobile robotics, and even aquatic underwater vehicles fully autonomously. Our products have to move right along with the pace of drone development, which means we need to get our products to market very quickly. That's where the ANSYS product comes in. It allows us to run through a number of different scenarios in terms of how we want to design things like the enclosures of our products or other aspects. So it speeds up our development process pretty considerably.
The iterative design process with a simulation tool can take hours every time you want to modify something traditionally. I was able to pretty much design on the fly with ANSYS Discovery. In a matter of 10 minutes, I could be analyzing a completely different geometry for thermal characteristics, airflow, all these things live with only 10 minutes of my input to change the system. Things that were easy to iterate on were venting primarily, changing the geometry, the placement, the number of vents, and so being able to play with all those on the fly without having to actually order all those different fans, prototype different boxes. The time savings, the monetary savings and prototyping fees, it's significant. It really added up. So that time that we'd previously be spending kind of dialing in boundary conditions perfectly, we can now kind of put back into the design and prototyping process of the physical assembly itself. So that time can now be spent into usability, kind of aesthetic design for manufacturing, all these components that go into a good product that we would have been too constrained for our business model. Certainly going into design review, having easy to understand simulation results that are intuitive, you can actually make the point and have something to back it up as opposed to asking for their blind trust in engineering. It's nice to be able to show previous prototypes you had iterated upon, the improvements you've made, and it kind of gives everyone a sense of confidence in the product before manufacturing.
The very first product that we used the ANSYS Discovery Live system on has now been released, fully released out into the market. It's received great traction, and we were able to get it out much faster than we originally anticipated. So we definitely expect to use Discovery Live for future products as well.